Now, get him to touch the bait to his nose a little bit so that he steps forward 1 or 2 more steps and you scoot over just a little bit. There you go. 1 more foot. There you go. Now put his nose down a little bit and hold the collar up. Head control. Pull his head up some. Pull his head up by the collar, not by the bait. And then put his nose down just a little bit. A little bit more. Let him lick the bait a little bit. Say, good boy. No, don't make him back up. He looks perfect, Dee. He's not looking bad. Now tell him, good boy.
Good boy.
Okay, now restack him. Go around in a circle. Tell him stack. Tell him stack.
Time to stack.
Okay, now show him the bait so he moves forward into it. Tell him step.
Step. He won't do anything.
He's doing fine. You need to actually reward him when he stacks though, and you haven't given him 1 piece of bait yet. He's not stupid, honey.
Let's go. You won't stack.
Yeah, you will.
Let's go.